All right, guys, this is a quick run through of my under eye routine. So I use the It Cosmetics CC concealer. I actually love to apply this with my fingers. So I'll warm it up with my fingers. That's really how they recommend to use this one. Dab it, I'll get it on both, and then just dab under eye very gently. And then I actually like to bring this one even up to over top my eye to use it as a eyeshadow base, and to just like, I have some like kind of veins sometimes that show up around my eyes, so it actually just like helps neutralize those as well. I'll even just like throw, if I have a remainder on my fingers, over top of my brow bone, you can see, to kind of carve out my brow as well. So I definitely get it all off my fingers doing so. So that's a great product, especially because it has SPF. And then I take my Marc Jacobs coconut powder that I will use to gently set it. This stuff is so finely milled. I normally hate powders. This is one of the only ones that I can use under my eye that I feel like doesn't bunch up or make it look creasy or cakey. So that is why I love this one. And I'm just using kind of a angled Real Technique brush for underneath the eye. So I'll tag that one within the video as well. So I absolutely love the results I get using these two products together. They just sit really well and last all day. Check them out.